Good morning students. Today we discuss about 12th commerce subject morning video. In this video we continue the same chapter, that is securities human resource management. So in this topic we already discussed about meaning, definition of human resource and also the functions of human resource. In this video we discuss about the features of human resource management. It is one of the universally relevant. Human resource management has universal relevance. The approach style varies depending upon the nature of organization structure and is applicable at all levels. So it is one of the universal relevance. That is, the approach and style of the management will be depending upon the nature of the organization and also how it will applicable in all level of the management in the business organization. Next feature is goal oriented. The accomplishment of organizational goals is made possible through best utilization of human resource in an organization. So in the business organization, the achievement of the goal of the organization, it is only possible by way of how they can utilize the human resource, human values in their management process. A systematic approach. Human resource management lay emphasis on a systematic approach in managing the task performed by human resource of an organization. So this human resource management will help the organization to emphasize the goal by way of achieving the target in the management level. How the goal will be fixed and how it is achieved by the organization, it will be in case of how the management use the organization structure. And then next top point is, it is all pervasive. It is all pervasive. Whenever there is existence of human resource, the effective management of valuable human resource is very important, especially in functional areas. So this human resource management is valuable one for the business organization to use it properly in order to develop the business concern. It is a continuous process. As long there is human resource in the running of an organization, the activities relating to the managing human resource exist. So it is one of the continuous process in the organization. That is, the human resource will be utilized by the business organization in long run. It is a dynamic activity. Human resource management is not the same as that of other factors of production, as they have feeling and emotional which are to be handled with care and diligence to maximize its utilization. So whatever the factors of production are functioning in the management, the human resource management is one of the most important one, because of it will be one of the feeling and emotional activity in the business organization with a maximum utilization of the human resource. Then only it will develop its functional activities. It is an integrative tool. The main idea behind managing the human resource is to motivate, participate and coordinate the available workforce. So the main aim of the human resource management is to manage the people, those who are involved in the work, and to motivate and full involvement in the work participation, and also coordination will also be available in the business organization. So whatever the work achieved by the worker, and their work will be motivate and remuneration properly given to the worker. Focuses on development. Human resource management focuses on the development of manpower through training and developmental program, honing of skill through training increases the effective use of the resource procured. So this human resource management focus the development of manpower. So whatever the work achieved, how the worker will use their manpower, and how the work will be managed by the organization. So all should be analyzed in this by way of human resource management. And also the proper training will be given to the worker in their field, respective field. Human resource management is both science as well as an art, as it is relies on experiments and observations as well as effective handling of manpower. It is both science and art. Because of with the help of the human resource management, the organization will experiment the manpower, how they use such power in their work, and how their manpower will be handled by way of giving task to them. So it is considered to be both science and as well as an art. It is interdisciplinary. Human resource management makes use of concept of different disciplines like sociology, psychology, economic, etc., making it interdisciplinary. So it is one of the interdisciplinary one, because of the achievement will be based upon their social activities, psychological behavior, and economical achievement. All should be noted by the management of the manpower of the worker in their work activities. It is intangible. Human resource management is intangible function which can be measured only by result. So this human resource management, it can be mentioned, it can be evaluated by way of manpower used in the business organization. So only with the result it can be evaluated. Next, significance of human resource management. There are various significant in the case of human resource management. The first one is to identify manpower needs. Determination of manpower needs is an organization is very important, as it is a form of investment. So manpower is also one of the investment. How the capital will be introduced in the business, likewise manpower is also one of the investment. So determination of manpower in an organization is very important one, because of it is one of the investment in the business to develop. The number of men required are to be identified accurately to optimize the cost. To incorporate change. Change is constant in any organization, and this change has to be introduced in such a way that the human resource management acts as an agent to make the change effective. So whatever the changes happening in the organization, that will be based on the human resource management. So This change has to be introduced in such a way that the human resource management act as an agent to make the change. To ensure the correct requirement of manpower, at any time the organization should not suffer from shortage or surplus manpower, which is made possible through human resource management. So the organization will always watch over there should not be any shortage in the manpower or any surplus arise using the manpower in the business organization. So at any time the organization should not suffer from shortage or surplus manpower, which is made possible through the human resource management. To select right man for right job, human resource management ensure the right talent available for the right job so that no employee is either underqualified or overqualified. So selection of the human beings for the right job based upon their talent, qualification and experience. So selection of the right candidate for the right job is most important one. Then only they can use their manpower effectively in order to achieve the goal of the organization. To update the skill and knowledge, managing human resource play a significant role in the process of employee skill and knowledge enhanced to enable the employees to remain up to date through training and development program. So through proper training and development program, the human being will develop their knowledge, will upkeep their knowledge with the help of the proper training and important program for their respective job. So managing human resource play a significant role in the process of employee skill and knowledge enhanced to enable the employee to remain up to date of their skill. So with that we complete this video session, and we can continue the same significance of human resource management in the next video. Thank you.